so I have over here 5.19 pounds of pork tenderloin. So number one, let's get off all that extra fat from here. Now let's cut that in the cubes. Cubes as big as you can or as you want. So basic, something like that. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of the curing salt, 3 tablespoons of mixed garlic, mustard seeds, nutmeg, and pepper. Remember to use less nutmeg because it's going to be not tasting good. All right, here we go. And we're going to use a regular salt. Just have to mix it. Mix it well. Pound it really good so there's not too many packets of air in between the meat. We have to do a trick like with the other sausages. I'm going to link in the description my other sausages videos. Okay, so we need to put that foil very up to the meat, so there is not too much space in between the meat and the air, the meat and the foil. Here we go. As much as possible, cover it up. I'm going to use extra foil just in case. We are going to hide in the refrigerator for 24 hours and we're going to do another process with it. Yes, this is quite a process with this sausage, but it's going to be delicious. Finish up the second tour of the process for that sausage. So over here I have 1.36 kilograms of the pork tenderloin and also 1.19 kilograms of pork belly. And also to that mixture, when I grind it, I'm going to add 800 grams of grounded beef. So number one rule for any making sausage, that a grinding machine has plates. Those plates have different eyes, we call them. So if you have a fat on your meat, I cut that fat off. Like over here, this is only pure fat, and I grind it on the plate with a smaller ice. This is the smaller ice. The meat is pure, no fat meat. I grind this on those big ice. I have too much of the fat over here because that sausage is called a ham sausage, but over here it's not that easy to buy a ham meat that we use like in Poland. This is why I've used mostly of the pork tenderloin, that they are clear, no fat, and really like kind of similar meat looking to the ham. Change that. I'm going to add 2 garlic cloves when I'm going to grind that meat. Always grind it. I'm going to use my favorite spice. I already showed you this company. Know in the comments if you want me to contact this company that is located in Poland, close to my town. Maybe I am able to get their products in here. So just let me know and I can contact the person over there and I can see. I'm going to link their website on the description side. You can check it out. In this spice, I have non-iodine salt. Do not use iodine salt for your sausages. In this spice, it's also garlic, but for me it's a little bit not enough. That's why I added 2 cloves of garlic. And there is also a mustard seeds. So there's a 12% of the garlic in here, mustard seeds, black pepper, 6.1% of it, white pepper, and there is also a nutmeg. If it's coming to a nutmeg, there is only a small percentage of it because nutmeg can be overwhelming and can give you a wrong kind of taste if you use it too much. So be cautious with a nutmeg. Add over here 3 tablespoons of that spice, like 3 heaping tablespoons. Mix it very well. I almost forgot, we need to add the beef. I have over here the yesterday prepped meat, and we're going to mix it all together. You can see how well it's mixed when you barely can pull out your hand of it. This is how nicely the meat got glued together. This is what you want to see. Okay. And now the only thing is make sure there is no air pockets. Now the foil, make sure that it covers everything. There's no air pockets between the meat and the foil. We are done for today. Day number 2 done. And we're going to do day number 3 tomorrow. See you soon. Keep this overnight in the refrigerator. We need to keep moving. Let's open it up. Smells good. Always check the meat. Okay, guys. I have over here, I have a chicken stock, and it's with ice. It needs to be really cold, and probably I'm going to add between 200 to 300 or maybe more. Right now I have a 500 ml over here, so and let's mix it better. And again, it cannot be too loose and cannot be too stiff. You just have to figure out depending on the amount of the meat you have. So basically you want that your hand, you need to use a force to pull out your hand. This is how well that sausage is made, and this means that it's going to hold the structure when you smoke it. Okay, so total I added around 500 ml of a liquid. Use that big, you can put 2 fingers in it, nozzle for the sausage stuffer. I'm going to, everything that you guys want to buy that I use is linked in the description below. All right, let's lock it. I have already soaked through. One of them is that sausage casing. I'm going to try find it on Amazon. I don't remember where I bought it. And the second one, of course, it's my favorite company, Broven. I think this one is also available in Amazon. So basically it's like a long thing that we're going to cut to the length that we want of our sausages. But basically it needs to be like that big. It cannot be in the small sausage case. I have ready all the strings to tie up the sausage. Okay, so number one, here's our sausage. We need to grab a bowl of the meat and you're going to load that in here like that. Another thing, you want to make sure you pound it well. It's going to be a little bit longer video, but there are very important parts of this video that I need to show you. And here we go, another one, and pound it up. Why are we doing it? It's because we do not want any pockets of air in there. Okay. Another thing, make sure you do not put over filling because you need to close that. Close this. And slowly make sure that this nozzle over here is filled with your sausage stuffer. Here you go. You can see, don't rush it. I always try to put my fingers in it so I can stop on time. And I see there's some air. Okay, here we go. Scissors ready because one of the stuffer is a little bit too long. Here we go. So these ones you have to soak for 15 minutes. This one's for 20 minutes. So basically it is a good time for that. Okay, I want my sausage length like that. So I'm going to cut that in here. Okay, that should be perfect. Okay, put this back into the water. Okay, we're going to take that string. I'm going to loop it and loop it around, okay? If you find a different way better for you, do it the way you like it. There is no bad way. Everyone has own way. Okay, tie this up really well. And also they are on the market and metal clips that you can buy with the tightener clip. I'm aware of that, but call me old-fashioned. Okay, I'm going to close it one more time. Okay, here we go, and that's it. I am not going to cut that piece because this piece I can loop it around and then put it on the rod and this can hang. To put this in here, and we're going to start stuffing our sausage. Here we go. Make sure there is not too much of the air. I don't want to do it too much because I want to close that. Here we go. And we have already the sausage thing before I close that totally. I want to put that temperature probe in here. And I'm going to close that well around it. But maybe before I do this, let me loop it around. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Okay, let's put that probe back in here and try deeper so that sausage you will have a correct temperature in. Now let's tie this up well. Here we go. Okay, it is ready. Guys, probably if you go to your local butcher, they're going to have those casings available. Already 6 sausages. We'll hang this in the smoker and dry it for about 1 hour, and then we're going to smoke it. Now it needs to dry out. This is how it looks like. It is dry. The only thing is I'm going to add over here a bunch of water. That water will help circulate in the smoker and it will make that sausage moist. Close it up and fire up. And we're going to set up a 175 Fahrenheit. Ready? Ooh, look at that. Oh, it looks nice. Let's cut it and check. I'm going to cut both so you can see how it looks like inside. Two different ones. This one is a little bit bigger than this one. Okay. I also made my homemade bread. Ooh, looks good. It looks really good. Let me cut this one, the bigger one. Look at this one. With this one, that skin, it is artificial protein. I'm going to link all the stuff in the description below, so to pull out when the meat is cold. So see, like there was a little bit of the air, so you can see some signs, but there's also the jello made from that meat. We cut my bread. I just want to show you if you... Let's pull this off. So I just want to show you. So just take this off and this is how easy it comes off. What if you eat it? I have questions about that too. Nothing. My friends actually ate that thing. Nothing happened to them, so they're still alive. Just FYI. First that one. And you can see how easily it breaks. Very good. With this one, I do not recommend eating this. Let me try. Yeah, it pulls out fairly easily, also from the meat. The same. All the same, no difference in between those, but I still prefer this one. It's easier to work with this one. There is a link for that in Amazon, actually from the bromine, that thing, that casing I found on Amazon. Alright, let me try with my bread. Oh my god. Alrighty guys, if you like the video, please subscribe and press the like button, and I will see you very soon with the next video. Bye!